face is beat, but this hair needs some work, okay? Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you've never been here before. My name is Jayla, also known as Chanellies on the internet, so that is where you can find and follow me. And we coming to you today because we need to do something to this hair. So if you want to see what I eventually do to this hair, go ahead and keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like what you see. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. Without further ado, let's get into this hair. Okay, so this face is beat. Hello, but this hair needs some work. So I figured I would come on camera and do my hair. I have no idea what I have an idea of what I want to do. I think I want to try finger coils. I know I've tried them at least once in my natural hair journey, but I have no recollection of them. I don't remember how it came out. I don't remember how long the style stayed or lasted. So let's just pretend like this is the first time. So this is what our hair is looking like. I have a moisturizer, an oil, a spray bottle filled with water, and some gel. Just so y'all know, those are the things that I'll be working with. I won't really be talking through this video because this is not a tutorial because I have no idea what I'm doing. I figured y'all could at least watch me and figure it out, and if the style comes out cute, then y'all can try to do it yourself. So I need to find a show to watch. so I have finally finished coiling my hair. I decided to try some finger coils, not a style that I frequent because it takes so long. So I'm going to go ahead and let this air dry for a little bit, and then I'll probably diffuse it the rest of the way because I do have somewhere to go tonight. I'll come back to y'all when it is completely dry. Okay, y'all, so before I leave, I did want to show y'all what I did with my hair. My hair isn't completely dry, so I didn't want to touch it or manipulate it much. So I basically just rolled it back and pinned it and bobby pinned it in the back. So I have like this little simple updo. This is what it looks like in the back. Nothing special. I'm going to a dinner, so I want to make sure that my hair didn't look a mess, basically, you know. I like to let my styles dry all the way before I manipulate them. So this is what we're looking like. I'll come back tomorrow and show y'all what the actual finger coils look like, but this is what we doing today, girl. Okay, y'all, so this is what my hair looks like completely dry. I am about to separate the finger coils and we'll see. Hopefully I don't ruin the style completely, but this is what we're looking like. Hey guys, so I know I was supposed to come back and show y'all how my hair looked with the finger coils pulled apart, but your girl could not find her scarf this week, so I ended up pulling the finger coils apart, sleeping with like makeshift scarves, and it just did not look good. So we're back to a bun. I had the finger coils for a total of 5 days, I believe, so you can definitely stretch it to a week if you really need to. But alas, my journey is done. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, guys, if you enjoyed this video. I would really like to hear about it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.